guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and it is everyone's favorite time of the year where we all get to be a little bit Irish. It is St. Patrick's Day, and I have a delicious recipe for you today. We are going to make a Reuben dip. It is absolutely perfect for St. Patrick's Day parties. It has all the fun flavors that you're looking for in a dish for the holiday. And honestly, it's really freaking good. You guys are gonna love it. So we're starting with 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese, and we're gonna just add in all the standard things that you would get on a Reuben. So we have about a cup or a cup and a half of a corned beef here. I actually have a great corned beef recipe on this channel as well as some other St. Patrick's Day themed stuff, so make sure to check out that playlist. But yes, cup and a half of corned beef and half of a cup of a Russian or a Thousand Island dressing. Now, if you wanna do a little bit extra dressing, go ahead, but that's at the minimum that you should use. Everyone knows there's just a few other ingredients on a Reuben. So we have a sauerkraut here. You're gonna do about a cup of sauerkraut as well. And then we're gonna get in our cheese. So I'm just eyeing it, but I would say about at least a cup and a half to 2 cups of a shredded Swiss here. You definitely want it to be cheesy and gooey and so delicious. So definitely get that shredded Swiss in. You can use a different cheese if you want, but everyone knows Swiss is on a Reuben, so I mean, that's the one I would go with. All right, then you're gonna start mixing it up. So we just wanna get everything really blended before we put it in the oven to bake. So this is a really great time to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We're gonna get it all mixed together here, and then we're gonna just put it into our little casserole bowl to get it in the oven. It's gonna cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, but you'll know it's done when everything is all melted together and you know, it kind of has taken the consistency of a dip. So we have our dip here in our small casserole dish, and it is going in that 350-degree oven, like I said, for about 15 to 20 minutes. But you will know because everything will be all melted together and look and smell delicious. And after that time in the oven, you have yourself a delicious Reuben dip that all of your friends are gonna love for St. Patrick's Day, or you could just get down with yourself. It goes great with anything that you're drinking, beer, wine, whatever. Trust me, you guys are gonna love it. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. Make sure to check out those other recipes that I have using corned beef, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.